is a Japanese company specializing in automation and robotics. Founded in 1956, FANUC is a global leader in industrial robotics, CNC computer numerical control systems, and factory automation. The company provides solutions for various industries, including automotive, electronics, aerospace, and manufacturing. FANUC robots are known for their reliability, precision, and advanced motion control. ABB robotic arms are industrial robots known for precision, flexibility, and efficiency in automation. Robotic arms have revolutionized electronics manufacturing and repair, making production faster, more precise, and highly efficient. In modern industries, electronic devices such as smartphones, circuit boards, and semiconductors require delicate and highly accurate assembly, which robotic arms handle with micron-level precision, something difficult for humans to achieve consistently. ABB Robotics, a global leader in industrial automation, provides advanced robotic solutions that enhance productivity and reduce human error in electronics manufacturing. Their robotic arms, such as the ABB IRB series, are equipped with AI-driven motion control, real-time quality inspection, and ultra-fast assembly capabilities. Industrial processes have become faster, more precise, and more efficient thanks to robotic arms. Since the introduction of this technology, industries worldwide have experienced rapid development, revolutionizing production and automation. A robotic arm can perform tasks faster, with higher accuracy, and for extended periods compared to a human. Unlike human workers who experience fatigue and inconsistency, robotic arms ensure 100% precision and quality output in repetitive tasks. This has led to their widespread use in manufacturing, automotive, aerospace, healthcare, and many other industries. Recent advancements have further enhanced their capabilities. AI-driven automation allows robots to learn and optimize tasks in real time, while collaborative robots, cobots, are designed to work safely alongside humans. Cloud-based and 5G-controlled robotic arms enable remote operation, making automation more flexible than ever. Additionally, self-repairing and adaptive technology now allows robots to detect and fix failures automatically, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Industries are continuously adopting robotic arms for tasks like assembly, welding, packaging, precision surgery, and even space exploration. In the automotive industry, robotic arms handle painting, welding, and part assembly with extreme precision. Medical robotic arms assist in delicate surgeries, improving accuracy and patient outcomes. The aerospace and defense sectors utilize robotic arms for space missions, satellite repairs, and military applications. As technology advances, the future of robotic arms is moving towards fully autonomous and AI-integrated systems, where humans and robots work seamlessly together. This evolution is not just about replacing human labor, but enhancing productivity, safety, and efficiency across all industries. The robotic arm revolution is shaping the future, making industries smarter, faster, and more innovative than ever before. Blast off. Robotic arm technology is revolutionizing industries far beyond floor technology, packaging, and product manufacturing. With advancements in AI, sensor technology, and automation, robotic arms are now crucial in various sectors, driving efficiency, precision, and innovation. In healthcare, surgical robots like the Da Vinci surgical system assist in minimally invasive procedures, while robotic prosthetics and exoskeletons enhance mobility for patients. In agriculture, automated harvesting robots improve crop yields, and AI-powered food inspection ensures quality in food production. The aerospace industry relies on space robotic arms like the Canadarm for satellite maintenance and space station construction, while autonomous welding aids aircraft manufacturing. In the automotive sector, robotic arms streamline welding, painting, and assembly, ensuring defect-free production. Retail and customer service have also embraced robotics with robotic baristas and automated inventory management in warehouses. In logistics, high-speed robotic sorting and AI-driven package handling optimize supply chains. While in research, robots play key roles in DNA sequencing and chemical analysis. Additionally, in construction, 3D printing robots and autonomous drilling systems are revolutionizing infrastructure development. As robotic technology advances, human-robot collaboration will only increase, shaping the future of industries worldwide and making processes faster, safer, and more efficient.